adjust that. Just in case what you're wondering what the other meters is for. Hold on, let's see. This one is for two Kyocera 135 watt panels. These are for three 180 watt Motec solar panels. But right now, after the storm, we don't have much sun. Let me drop down here. And down here, two Solarmate 40 amp mppt charge controllers. So this is my new setup. It's working pretty well. A lot of these I got from eBay. So there's those meters up there. Pretty good. And down here, which I got from Missouri Wind and Solar, AIMS power inverter, pure sine, 1500 watts, which is pretty good. Solarmate charge controller, instruction manual, charge controllers, Missouri Wind and Solar, and eBay meters. Let's see what this Gudcraft is doing now at 20 to 40 mile per hour winds. Sorry about that again. I didn't hook up a light up here yet. See if I can get it steady for you. $15 amps, almost 20.